Hey guys, it's Riley here. Today I'm going to be dropping the fuel tank, the front one, on the truck. Might get to the back, we don't know. It's September 15th, my birthday. And these videos are a little bit out of order, because last time you probably saw me, I was working on putting the wiring harness in. Well, I haven't finished that yet because I'm still waiting on some new idle air controller connector and a new a bunch of vacuum hoses. The vacuum hoses should be in today though, and the idle air controller should be here, I don't think today, but hopefully tomorrow. And then we should be able to get the engine all buttoned up and fingers crossed get it running, which that'll be a big deal. And then we can find out why the thing was parked, hopefully. I'm still thinking it's transmission because that fluid, it don't look good. Oh, and this truck has skid plates. Son of a bitch. Oh, there's the bedside. This truck had the factory off-road package on. Oh shit, what's that one? Oh, it's the axle vent tube. That's okay. The speedo sensor, but that's cheap. Oh, the truck has no emergency brakes. Why? Why? Why would you cut the emergency brake on both sides? Well, I'm happy to say that the wires underneath the truck aren't chewed through. Literally just the engine. Thank you so much, Field Mice. At least they didn't chew underneath the dash. That's the one I was really worried about, and they didn't. Underneath the dash would have been a pain. Probably wouldn't. Nah, I drove 3 hours to get the truck. I probably would have still taken it. Unless it was catastrophically wrong. Anyways, back to wrenching. Does the rear one have a skid plate? No. Should be the rear one. Woo! Dirt falling in my eye is my favorite. Vice Grips to the rescue. Oh my goodness. There we go. Nope, too tight. Why wouldn't somebody put a fucking cage on that other side of it? This side like that too? Yes, yes it is. Woo! Great! Fun! Oh my goodness. Fingers. Size it is, put a socket on there.
I just beat it off right there to hopefully clean off some of the dirt. So not so much is falling in my eyes. I know I'm still wearing safety glasses, but I'm chewing on dirt. Now let's see. Might actually be empty. I might be lucky. Probably not. Let's get her out. She's rusty, but I don't think there's gonna be any holes in it. It's not like if it was up north. This truck might just be in tank. I don't know that one, and then the return would just go wherever it wants. I don't know. I don't know how these 91s. I thought 91s was already singular pump and then a switcher on the frame rail. Looks the switcher's up there somewhere. It might be. It might be. Oh, I'm just putting off and dropping it. Daddy impact. Oh, hey. Daddy extensions. But I have more extensions. Oh, wait, where am I? They're back at my dad's shop. I live 8 hours from my dad, though, so I can't go get it. Houston, Texas gang. Woo! Oh, that's gonna work. Houston, Texas gang, but I still go for the Cowboys. Texas, controversial opinion of the day. Guess what's spinning on top, guys? Because guess what? Ford sucks. Woo, Chevy. I'm just kidding. My daily's a 2007 F150. Video coming up on that. Replacing O2 and oil. Doing an oil change on it. Not too crazy. I'm not going to bore y'all with an oil change on it though. That'll be fast forward. Even I can't see what I'm doing right now. You know what? I should just do a muffler build. Nope, my apartment already hates me, so I can't do that. What stupid Ford designer? So it was a good idea to put a bolt and not a stud. You know, people pay a lot of money for dirt baths. Do the front one, Riley. Front one's probably the one that works anyways, Riley. No, don't do the back one. There's no dirt on it or shield plate in the way. No, do the front one. You're so smart.
I'm getting the lines off right now.
Just going by feel. Oh, you know what's holding it? The filler neck. Oh, I guess I should take that off. Varnish.
Fun fact, hose clamps are 8mm.
Fun fact, before I started YouTubing, I've dropped 2 other gas tanks in a parking lot. Shit sucks. How to break your fuel hose 101. I'm pretty sure in these trucks it's a siphon type system, so none of this is high pressure fuel hose, so it should just push off. I shouldn't actually have to unclip it. Oh fuck, that's a cover. Never mind, I gotta unclip it. Let me slide that clip back in because I will lose it if I don't. You know, if you don't care about it, just cut the damn fuel hose and it'll drop. Not fuel hose, filler neck. Don't cut your fuel hose. Do not cut your fuel hose. Cut your fuel filter neck though. Definitely do that. Let's see what happens. Also, I know there's a big open hole right here. I don't care if I get dirt in it because I'm dropping this fuel tank just to fucking clean it. Goodness. Ah, whatever. I got it out. There she is. And it's like half a tank in there. That's also why it was messy. And now I have to dump all the old gas out. And I am totally going to get rid of it legally. I'm about to take a shower. Let's see if I can look at that. That's gas. That's gas. Gas is supposed to be clear, not piss yellow. Alright guys, this is my super secret cleaning stuff for gas tanks. Not actually. It's just marbles, hot water, and Drano. There's one. There's two. We have this one out right now. So I'll do half this, and I'll do the full thing of water. I'll shake it around a whole bunch, dump it out a couple times, rinse it and everything. I would car wash and pressure wash it off really good because I hate dirt falling in my face. Seems like it's always the case though. So let's get her all mixed up. That'll help break up some of the rust that's in there. Now I'm going to back up a little bit because, like I said, I don't like getting stuff on my cardboard, even though I already got a bunch of water and gas on there. I don't know, this might be a lost cause, guys. Because that's like caked up old varnished gas at the bottom of the tank. That's all just gonna get in the fuel filters, clog the fuel pump up, fuel injectors, everything. This might be a waste of my time, actually. Which in that case, it means forced upgrades. So I've always read about doing a Bronco fuel tank in the rear of these trucks, especially the diesel ones. Because my dad has a 97 7.3 and I've always wanted to swap the rear tank in it. Anyways, sorry, off track. So I mean, obviously you can do the same in these because these are basically the same trucks. Yeah, they got a little bit different front end, but it's literally just sheet metal. The frames are all the same. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the bed of the truck and see if the Drano needs to sit a little bit and really break it up. And then I am gonna come back in a couple hours. Oh, this is also the fuel sending unit. It's got nasty, there's just rust all on it.
Luckily they are cheap from Rock Auto, so I might just end up doing that. I guess the pump was in these. I thought these trucks had dual fuel pumps, only one in each tank, but maybe they have triples. Oh, it's real corroded on here too. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I was just gonna brake clean this. Oh, look at the bottom of that fuel. Nasty. Ah, man, I got it on the flip top.